Uh-oh! Hell yeah! Here's the other champions over here.
Picked up the spare.
What am I recording? You?
Oh, all you, buddy. It's just spinning.
Sometimes, like, if you get to
That's what I had with him. When we found it on the streets, we were throwing This is how they broke through Troy. Uh-oh, T. You got some pins, baby? Oh, yeah. Don't be embarrassed. That's all right. Don't be embarrassed, dude. We got some pins. Heck yeah, give me some knuckle. There we go. Oh. Benjamin in the house. What's up, buddy? We're a year into Corona. We all look like a bunch of hippies, but we're finally getting out and bowling. Staying away from everybody else, but enjoying the day.
that we got in the house.
So if you're in the country and you want to get a to-go box at the bowling alley, this is what you get. A damn Ziploc thing.
Don't ask for beer to go.
That's just too much.
Right there. It's like a street nacho.
Bon appetit.
I guess.